Reminisce on dangerous summers, was just a thug nigga working for drug dealers in neighborhood. Run about the age of 13, we was gunning, and it was fun to see the police running. Niggas disappear when we come and live. Nappy head shorty, addicted to drinking 40. My niggas is naughty, and y'all niggas is fucking corny. But you left me in the summer of '89, a very good year. Crack cocaine sales rose.
So, the other day, I got pulled over for speeding, but I wasn't. I definitely wasn't. I was just accelerating quickly. The cop says, "Don't bullshit me, man. Don't bullshit me." I'm like, okay, whatever. I'm like, the car is loud. And then he goes, "Well, should I write you a ticket for that then?" And I'm like, well, it's better than a speeding ticket. So, anyways, he didn't give me a ticket, but gotta make my car quieter. And I don't really feel like paying an exhaust shop to do a bunch of work. So, what I've done for now is I've taken an old license plate, cut the middle out because the middle is smooth. I have these little sections here. And I've made myself a couple patches for my exhaust. See if I can zoom in here. They're shaped pretty well. I haven't started the car yet, but you guys will see in a second. When I start it, we'll see how loud or not loud it is. I mean, it should be better than it was. Like, those are tight on there. Those are tightly clamped. I did it with the drill. The impact. So, yeah, it should be pretty quiet. I gotta respray those because they're a little rusty. I have these little sections here. And I've made myself a couple patches for my exhaust. See if I can zoom in here. Okay, let's see if it's any quieter. Wow! Way quieter!
Start recording.
The car doesn't know what to do because it's because there's more back pressure now. Look, it's idling funny. Oh my god, it's way quieter. I can't believe how much quieter this is. I'm gonna resume once I start driving. So I patched all 4 holes on the exhaust on this car. Let's see what it sounds like when I start it. Oh my god! It's so quiet! Holy crap! And this is with both holes on the exhaust filled with license plate patches and 2 hose clamps. Like, it's great. It's so much quieter and there's so much more power in the low end. So, as you guys just saw, the patches on my exhaust, they worked. I've got 2 right there, and then I've got another 2 right here, and they work. So, if you have a loud exhaust with some holes in them from rust or whatever, definitely give that a try. If you guys are wondering what has happened there, I guess I'll make another video on this. I crashed my car. I was on the highway and there was a huge puddle and I could not avoid it, and I was in the middle of a turn, so I'm going like this. The highway turns like this, and then halfway through my turn I see a big puddle. It was like a foot deep. I felt the back end of the car lift and float this way. The car fishtailed like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and then finally went boom, hit the front jersey barrier. And I have already assessed the damage. I've gone over it. I was trying to line my hood up because it was a bit crooked. It still is a bit crooked. But I didn't really have time this weekend, and it's kind of hard to do by myself. It's off here. I have a feeling what happened is the hood probably got pushed in like that and bent. So anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.